I've had a lot of people ask me how I make my Texas Style BBQ sauce. Well, today I'm going to show you the recipe. It's super easy, super simple, and you're going to really love it. So let's get after it. Okay, this has just got a few simple ingredients. We're going to start off with, we've got 1 cup of just ketchup, regular ketchup, that we're going to put in our blender here. Okay. I got a little bit left in there. Let me get it all out of here. All right. Now we've got about 1/4 of an onion, just a white onion. We've got 4 cloves of garlic that we're putting in there. I got 5, 2 of them are really small. I've got 2½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, I'm gonna put in 1/4 of a cup of real maple syrup in it. Just get this in there. All right. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I'm going to put in 3 of these Chipotle peppers in Adobo sauce in here. Well, let me get them out of here. There we go. All right. Now, if you wanted a little bit hotter sauce, you could use some jalapenos. Now, the secret ingredient that we're going to be using in this is I'm going to use 1/4 cup of black coffee. Just black coffee. There we go. Now we're going to put our lid on it. Now you want to pulse this a couple of times before you just start mixing. Just get it. Okay, we got it all mixed up in our blender. Now we're just going to put it all in this saucepan here. Get it all in here. There we go. And we're going to bring it to a simmer, and we're going to simmer this for 20 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, our barbecue sauce is finished up. Man, it looks really good too. It tastes excellent. You're really going to like this. You need to try this. You really do. Super simple. We just mixed up the ingredients. We simmered it for 20 minutes. Let it cool down just a little bit. Put it in our ball canning jar. Put the lid on. Now we can store this in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks if we need to. But it's really good. Like I say, if you want a little bit more spice to it, you can use jalapenos instead of the Chipotle peppers and Adobo sauce. That's totally up to you. You can kind of tweak this to suit yourself. So thanks a lot for stopping by. I really appreciate you watching. I want to send a thanks out to all of my subscribers and everybody that watches my videos. I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women working in law enforcement that are protecting us and keeping us safe every day. And I want to send a very special thanks out to all of our men and women serving in the military and to all of our veterans. And until next time, thank you very much.